just a rider on the coattails of your love. I got the fuel for the fire.